Aloha, I'm Chef Leanne Wong. Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. Today we're going to be making a roasted broccoli salad with blue cheese and bacon. In a large non-stick frying pan, cook the bacon until crispy, rendering out all of the fat. Remove the bacon bits and drain on paper towels. Combine the olive oil and the bacon fat in the frying pan. Add the broccoli and sliced garlic, crushed red pepper and rosemary, and then season to taste with salt and pepper. Place the broccoli mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 7 to 10 minutes. Remove the broccoli from the oven and transfer to a smaller oven-proof baking dish or skillet. Top with crumbled blue cheese, bacon, and place back in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 5 minutes and garnish with the toasted walnuts and drizzle with the balsamic reduction. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.